So today we are going to learn about this word, and you can find this file in my link. Just go and subscribe to me and you can download this files from my link below, which I already given it. Okay, now we are going to start with this bird, how we are going to create it with the help of Pathfinder. So let's begin. So what I'm going to do, I will delete all the things, whatever the things I have over here, delete this one as well, right? Now let's say if I am having this square, I will make it like this. Okay, now with the help of our anchor point direct selection tool, which we already discussed, right? So I will select this one, both the vertex, and I will curve it like this. Okay, now I will select this point and I will make it curve like this. Okay, somewhere like this. Now I need to use my pathfinder somewhere to cutting this edges, or if you don't want to cut, it's totally fine. So I will select this one, rectangle, not the rectangle, I am going to use my ellipse tool somewhere like this. Okay, now I need to divide this one, so let me change the color of this. So I will select red for now, so that I can understand how the flow is going on. Okay, now what I am going to do, I will cut this into half. So how I am going to use it, just I am going to use my scissor tool. I will select this one and this one. With the help of move tool, I will make it outside, select and delete it like this. Okay, and I will keep it over here. Now again what I'm going to do, I will select this rectangle. Okay, now again what I'm going to do, I will select this one and change the color. For now I will keep it over here, and I need to make it back. So I will select this one, arrange, send to back. Okay, now I need to add, make it aside little bit. I need to add this part and this part together. Okay, so with the help of Pathfinder, I can simply select this one, Control Shift F9. I will add this one. So let me make it little bit more wider till here. Okay, I will select both together, add this one. Okay, now you will see we are having this is the problem. So let's control with the pen tool. Okay, now you will see we are having perfect turning points over here. Now once you are having this, I will select this one and keep it over here, and this looks very big. Make it little bit more big, and with the help of direct selection tool, this one I will select this 2 points together and make it inside. This one plus this one, make it inside little bit. With the help of shift, you can control the movement. Okay, now once you are having this, I need to add this one. I will select this direct selection tool, make it up little bit more. Now I will add one more rectangle from here to here, and that looks very wide. So I will control my anchor points and keep it over here somewhere like this. Yes, perfect. Now I will change my color. For now, arrange, send to back. Okay, I will add it like this. This point should merge properly, otherwise the output will not look good. So I will make it like this. Now once I am having this one, I am trying to add this one first. What I need to do, I will select this anchor point and I will make the curve of it somewhere like this. Okay, now I will select this one, it's look fine, and again I need to create one circle over here. So I will select this circle, right? Now I will try to change the color of this one, and I will make it over here, here. It's totally fine. Okay, now with the help of scissor tool, I will cut it into half. Move tool, remove this part. Okay, it's look little bit big, so I will try to add it like this and this. Okay, and this time I want to add or remove this part. For now, just leave this one. Now I need to create some eyes over here. So 1 2 and 3. Control C, Control F. I will select this one, make it small. Again, Control C, Control F, make it more small. So I have three circles over here. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to make this one as a white. Then after second one, I'm going to create this one. This one, let's say for now, will be the blue color. And third one will be more dark of this color. So I will select this one and push it down. Now once I am having this one, I will select this and make it in group. Control G as in group. Now I will keep it here. Now it's time to change the color of this bird. Okay, so how I'm going to change the color? See, I will select this one. I will make sure to make it orange color for now. Okay, this one might be a yellow color or somewhere like this, some dark color you can say, like this one. Okay, now we are having this one as a green color, and I'm going to take it as a green color. Control C, Control F one more time, and I will make it small and I will keep it over here, right? Make it up, and I will select this one and make it little bit more dark. So from here you are having something like this. Okay, now we are going to create the leg part of this character. So how I'm going to create it? The creating of this leg is very easy. Make it down little bit, it's look very big. Okay, so I will select this one and I will create the line, or you can create a rectangle like this. And in this case I am going to turn this one like this, so it's look very big. I will select this one, keep it here, arrange, send to back, make it little bit more wider, somewhere like this, and again copy, paste it over here. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to balance it, right? How I'm going to balance it? So with the help of alignment tool, I will select and make it like this. Now I will change the color of this one, so again I am going to make it like this. So this one looks little bit more wider, somewhere like this, and it's fine totally. Now again I need to add one more rectangle. That will be the root of, you can say, root or the stem of the tree. Arrange, send to back, or make it send to up like this. And again I'm going to change this one somewhere like pink color, like this one. Okay, now if you want to make it little bit more light, somewhere like this, you can do this, something like this. Okay. Now once you are having this token, what you can do, it's totally fine. Now I will select this one plus this one. It can be in group, right? I will select this one and I will make it here as a leaf. So I will make sure to make it like this, or I can keep it over here. It should be look like a cartoon, so you can add it somewhere here. So very easily you can create this type of character with the help of Pathfinder. I will select and keep it over here. Now I will add it one background. If you want to add some background over it, how? Just go here in the rectangle tool, select this one, move tool, arrange, send to back. Okay, now I will select this one and let's say I will add this color. Okay, now with the help of pen tool, I can create one line over here from this part to this part to this part, and this should be in the stroke part, not the fill. So I will select this one, and I don't want to add the fill, I want to add the stroke. That will be approximately 6, 7, 8, whatever the value you want to take, and I want to make this one little bit curve, so I will select and make the curve like this. Okay, and try to don't make it too much black, it's look very off. So what I am going to do, I will select this one, just go here to changing the color of this stroke, and I am going to take it somewhere gray, not totally black. So now I need to fix this one, I will select this and keep it over here. Okay, now select this one, this background. If I'm going to select all of together, what will happen, it will give me the selection of all the objects. So in the meantime, what I need to do, I need to lock this thing. So I will press F7 on my keyboard, I will select this one, find your layer where it is located, lock this one. Right now try to fix this issue over here, I will try to add it here like this. Now I will select all of them and I will make it group, and I will make it up little bit. Now I will press T on my keyboard and I can add it, TOUCAN, token, or you can type TOUCAN, token. So Control T, if you are going to press Control T on your keyboard, the text will be activated for you. Now you can increase the value of your text. Let's say we are having 72, let's say 150. Okay, and I am going to use another font over here. So I will, let me check. Okay, this one looks good. I will select this one. I will arrange it over here. Now light. I want to make it light somewhere like this. Okay, now I need to add some space between them. I will select this one and I will add little bit of space. Okay, now for every letter you will see there is a space. Now I will add it over here. Now what I'm going to do, I will select this one and I will change the color of my font. Let's say it can be somewhere this one here. Okay, now that's it. Very easily you can create this type of design or this type of bird with the help of Pathfinder. Hope you are getting my point, how to create this one. Right now it's totally up to you. If you want to change this color, Control Shift G, ungroup the object, select this one, this object, and make it little bit more light like this. Now the grace will come like this. Okay, and just make sure to make the eye little bit more big. Now it's look good. And I also need to change my green color, it's look very dark. So I will select this one and I will move it little bit over here, and I will select this green color and I will move it little bit more over here, somewhere here. Okay, this not look green, so yes, now it's look good. Okay, easy. Now it's up to you how you want to show it. You can add your own materials, you can add your own elements. If you want to add, you can do so many different type of things. Let's say if you want to add the clouds, you can create the clouds with the help of ellipse. Okay, like this. Okay, and this one, select both together, add it like this. Now you are having this cloud thing. Change the color of your cloud, press OK. Now what you can do, just down the opacity little bit, let's say 50. So it's up to you how you want to show it. Arrange, send to backward. Okay, I think These things are clear to you now. Once you have done, what you need to do, you need to create your shade cards. Shade cards are basically the colors which you are using. So how many colors? One, two, three, four, five colors I am using over here. So I will select this one, control D for making the copy. One, two, three, four, five. Eyedropper, with the help of eyedropper I will fill first color. With the help of second eyedropper I will select second color, third color, now fourth color, eyedropper, this one, eyedropper, this one. So these are the basic color contrast which I am using right now. Okay, you can showcase your profile something like this. Select all of them, control G, make it in the group, and you can make it your portfolio somewhere like this. Easy. Okay, so try to make this one. If you are having any problem, ask me, I will help you out. Okay.